And we're looking at an ACT reading question regarding an author's attitude. According to the passage, regarding species' ability to adapt and change, the author expresses which of the following attitudes? This is a tough question because we're going to have to get a sense of author's tone. So I'm actually going to jump to a place where I remember the author using the first person because that should give me a sense of the kind of tone that the author has. Now, quickly, let me just make a little mark for myself. So I'm going to kind of just make a little mark that's like superiority and confidence would be sort of like a negative tone. Respect and inquisitiveness would be positive. Determination and earnestness would be positive. And impatience and authority would be like negative. So that'll just give me an idea of, if I can get an overall sense of the tone, I can maybe rule a couple things out first. So here's where I saw the author use the first person. I shall in this volume treat, so he's saying what he's going to do, as fully as my materials permit, the whole subject of variation under domestication. We may thus hope to obtain some light, little though it be, on the causes of variability, on the laws which govern it, such as the direct action of climate and food, and so on. We shall learn something of the laws of inheritance. So he's talking about what we're going to learn in this volume that he's writing. So there's nothing in that tone to me that suggests impatience and authority. I would say it was positive. And I'm also going to rule out superiority and confidence because he says, we may thus hope to obtain some light, little though it be. That's not a superior or confident tone. So then that leaves us with these two positive tones or attitudes, respect and inquisitiveness, or determination and earnestness. Well, between these two, based on what we just ruled out, we ruled out superiority and confidence because he says, we can hope to shed some light, little though it may be. Well, I wouldn't say that that's a very determined attitude. I would say that that's an inquisitive attitude. We can hope to shed some light. We're hoping to learn. So I'm going to choose for the best, this one could be right throughout parts of the passage, but the best answer overall would involve inquisitiveness.